Yeah, so welcome to the Zoo Audio Room. Today we're showing off a brand new product for us called Union. It's a coax driver based on our full range driver. So it uses the nanotech cone, high output motor, but on this one we mount the tweeter right in the center. And the tweeter comes in at 12K, so it's just a little bit of the sparkle on the top. Very efficient, so you can run it with low power. It also is pretty high power handling, so you can, if you need to rock out, it'll definitely take care of it. Union, it's $2,000 for a pair. In addition to the Union, we're also showing at the show our Definition Mark IV, which is 12,700, fully integrated from bottom all the way through the super tweeter. 101 dB efficient, it's 8 ohm product as well, and this one goes all the way down to 14 hertz. Part of the sub-assembly on that is this guy right here, which is a 12-inch Lab 12 from Eminence, and then we do all the machine work at-house. Everything we do is made in Ogden, Utah. Machining, our drivers, our paint, our nanotech coatings. We're pretty vertically integrated, as well as we make our own cable assemblies and harnesses with our own planetary gear that we use. So this sub-assembly that comes out of the Definition is also used in our brand new Submission subwoofer. And as you can see, that's part of the assembly. It's very similar in size to the Definition, but totally different cabinet on the inside. It's a very clean subwoofer. It goes down to 12 hertz with authority. For the amplification on this, we mount all the electronics in a billet case that we also machine. We use the Hypex UCD400 amp module. And it does have signal processing, so it's got user controls in the back that allow you to adjust crossover, volume, phase infinitely, and it also has parametric EQ, and you can toggle that off, so you can bypass that if you're doing outboard signal processing. And then next to that is the Undertone subwoofer, which is $2,000, and same technology, but we strip out the expensive bits. So we don't have a billet case for the electronics, we don't use the billet base, but it does use the same subwoofer and same Hypex amplifier. So those are the three new products that we have. The fourth product that we're also showing here at the show is the Union Cube, which uses the same 10-inch driver in our Union, but puts it in a form factor that lets you put this on any bookshelf, desktop, car, wherever you want to put the thing. It's going to fit, but it's also a very high fidelity product. Gets you down to about 50 hertz, so for real rock and roll, you're still going to need to mate it up with an undertone or some other subwoofer. This guy is $1,200 for a pair. That's about all we got going on for electronics at this show. We're using Nelson Pass's new first watt SIT amplifiers, 10 watts per channel, very good sounding, probably my favorite transistor amplifier. A little on the expensive side, but you get what you pay for. Value-wise, we have the Peachtree Deco 65, which is fully integrated. It's got a DAC in it. You can plug in your computer. You can plug in a turntable with a phono stage, and you're up and running. So the system that we're listening to right now is a Technics SL1200 with an Audio Mods arm with a Zoo audio cartridge running into a K&K phono stage and then into the Peachtree integrated. If you want to hear it with the first watt, easy enough to switch out, run it with the first watt, the SIT ones, and let you do some comparison. But I appreciate you guys coming out, and hope you like what we do.